Very good morning, students. Now also we are moving with the chapter metals and non-metal. So last class we discussing about the formation of sodium chloride. This is the very important part of your examination, and today we are discussing about the formation of magnesium chloride. Take the heading. Okay, formation of, very important, formation of magnesium chloride by electron transfer method. Okay, so magnesium chloride, normally we have already three steps. First, will metals always loses the electron. Okay, second steps, non-metals gains the electrons, and third step we show the formation of the dot structures of these ions. Okay, first we will take the step one. Step one. Okay, metals loses the electron. Before we know the which one here metal, which one will be which before which one will be the metal and which one will be the non-metal. First you know. Okay, in magnesium chloride, magnesium is the metal, chloride is the non-metal. Its chemical formula is MgCl2. First you know the it's MgCl2. Okay, magnesium chloride in two in two atoms, means in two elements. Okay, two elements, magnesium and chloride. Which one is metal? If first you know which one is metal. Okay, magnesium is the metal. Okay, magnesium is the metal. Yes, magnesium is metal, means what it will be do? It loses the electrons. First you know the electronic configuration of magnesium. What is the atomic number of the magnesium? Yes, magnesium is 12. Okay, its electronic configuration also discussed in the previous classes. If you not understand electronic configuration, please see the previous classes. Okay, I'll write the direct electronic configuration of the magnesium. Okay, 2, 8, 2. It is the electronic configuration of magnesium. It want to the stable. Okay, it want to the stable. It lose the two electrons. I'll take Mg2 plus 2 electrons. Okay, its electron configuration of magnesium ion is 2, 8. Yes, this is the first step. Magnesium is a metal, it loses the electron. Now I will take the step 2. Step 2. Step 2 means non-metals gains the electrons. Okay, non-metals gains the electrons. Non-metals gains the electrons. Okay, first which one is non-metal here? Chlorine. Okay, chlorine. Okay, chlorine. What is its atomic number of chlorine? Atomic number chlorine is 17. So you if you know the atomic number, you can easily write the electronic configuration. So I'll write the electronic configuration of the chlorine 2 comma 8 comma 7. It want to stable. It want to be stable. It want a 1 electron. Yes. Now 2 comma 8 comma 8. It will be the stable. So it gain a 1 electron. Then it will be the Cl minus ion. Chlorine, chloride ion. Here is chlorine. It after will be chloride ion. Its electronic configuration I will write 2 comma 8 comma 8. Now it will be the stable. Okay. It will be stable. It will be stable. It though both is get the octet state. Okay. Here magnesium loses the 2 electrons. Chlorine gains the 1 electrons. So third step. What is this third step? I will show the dot structure of formation of the electrons. Take the screenshot of this. I will write the next slide. Okay. Take a screenshot. Okay. Step 3. Formation of magnesium chloride. Step 3. Formation of magnesium chloride. Yes, in previously first step, magnesium will got the it lose the 2 electrons. So I will write the its dot structure magnesium. Magnesium dot structure. How will we write the dot structure? You know the 2 valency of electrons. So I will represent the dot structures of magnesium here. Mg dot dot. Means what is of the valence electrons? Means the number of electrons present in the outermost shell. So I will show the magnesium chloride outermost shell. It present the 2 electron. So I will show the 2 dot structures. Okay. Now chlorine atom. Okay. Chlorine valency of electrons part 7. So I'll represent the 7 electrons. It is the dot structure of chlorine. So Cl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. This is the chlorine. This is the magnesium dot structure for the chlorine. I'll show here. Means magnesium chloride. It has the 2 atoms. Okay, chlorine has the 2 atoms, magnesium has the 1 atom. Magnesium will loses the 2 electrons. Okay, chlorine will gets the 1 electrons. So here magnesium chloride, it has the 2 chlorine atom, 1 magnesium chloride. Magnesium it loses the 2 electrons. Each chlorine atom receives the gains the 1 electron. So I represent the 2 chlorine atoms here. So count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. It to want to the normal formation of this magnesium chloride. Here 1 electron jump here. Yes. Here 1 more electron here jump here. So it is also stable. It is also stable. So magnesium. Yes, this is the formation of magnesium chloride with the dot structure. This is the very important sometimes in examinations directly asked the write the formation of magnesium chloride dust structure. Okay, this is very important. Okay, take screenshot. Okay, I will give the homework for you. Who are do this? Please comment your in comment box. I'll give the homework for write the formation of homework. Nitrous oxide. Okay, you'll write the homework for this. You'll comment the answer in comment box. So this is the homework for you. Okay, I'll wrap this. I'll go to the next topic. Okay, this is very important. My formation of the magnesium chloride by electron transfer method. Sodium chloride and magnesium chloride. In these both are very important. Okay. So take the next heading, properties of ionic compound. Okay. First you know the what is ionic compound. These compounds which are made by the ions by the transfer of the electrons. Okay. Gaining and losing of the electrons taking place where transfer of the electrons which form the bonds. Those bonds are called the ionic bonds, or which are compounds are called the ionic compound. Okay, write the properties of ionic compound. Okay, take the next heading. Properties of ionic compound means what is ionic compound? This compound made up of ions means which ions means in this compound some will be non-metals, some will be metals. The compound formed by the transfer of the electrons and gaining of the electrons, they form the bond that is called the ionic bond, which form the compound means that is the ionic compound. In this compound, some will gaining electrons, some will losing electrons. Properties of the ionic compound taken as the first point, that is the physical nature. Yes, physical nature means the almost all ionic compounds are solid and hard in nature. Okay, these are almost all ionic compounds are hard and solid in nature. Okay, take the first point. All ionic compounds are solid and hard in nature. Yes, this is the first properties of the ionic compound. Okay. Next, second of the its melting point and boiling point almost all high in nature means why means it's when the formic ionic compounds its electrostatic force is high means when the formation of the compounds they will be have a more attractive force between these ions. Okay, so that's reason melting point and boiling point is high. Okay, second next point is boiling and melting point. Okay, they have high melting and boiling point because they have a high electrostatic force force between them. Okay, electrostatic force between the attractive force between their ions. So electrostatic force is high, so that reasons it have the high melting and boiling point. Okay, third one will be the very important solubility. Yes, what is solubility? Means any compound which dissolves in the other solution. Okay, here almost all ionic compounds are dissolved in water. Okay, ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಈ ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಕಂತ ionic compound ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ ಅದು ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಕರಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so that take the points. All ionic compounds are dissolved in water. Dissolve in water. Okay, next fourth one is conduction of electricity. Okay, conduction of what is conduction of electricity? Ability to pass the current through it. Okay, then in conduction of electricity the ionic compounds are always in solids and hard in nature, but in a solid state it cannot conduct the electricity. It can conduct electricity only in molten and aqueous state. Okay, what is molten state? Molten state means if you take a solid salt, NaCl is a ionic compound, take in beaker, you cannot add any water, you can give only heat. After some time it will be the melt, it come in the liquid state. That state is called the molten state. Okay, aqueous means you when you add water then it will dissolve, that is the aqueous state. Okay, first conduction of electricity, write this in the form of molten and aqueous state can conduct electricity. Okay, I'll told what is molten and aqueous state, but mainly in solid states cannot conduct the electricity. Okay, these are the important properties of the ionic compound. End of the every session. Now onwards, I give one questions. Please answer your in comment box. Okay, first, okay, take a screenshot. I'll give one important questions. Okay, it is very important. Already asked in examination. Which one of the following oxides of iron would be obtained prolonged reaction of iron with steam. Okay, Okay, can I give the option for this? Okay, first will option A, FeO, option B, Fe2O3, option C, Fe3O4, option D, Fe2O3 and Fe3O4. Okay, please comment your answer. Okay, if you all of you understand the concept clearly, please like and share our video. Okay, thank you.